Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel again. Today is the 16th of December. The time is at 12:30 a.m. Singapore timing. Let's take a look at the market itself today. It has been quite a while since my last update on my portfolio. So today we will be looking at the current portfolio at how it is standing now. So a deposit of about $8,000. So now we are at a losing end of about $7,900. And let's take a look at the market itself first for today. Our watch list. So today there's a big drop for ServiceNow. They drop around 10%. This is due to some acquisition news for ServiceNow. They are acquiring a company. I think it's a cybersecurity company. I can't remember the name, but it should be in the news. So due to this news, the share price dropped 10% today to 775. I do not hold any holding of ServiceNow, but it is one of the company that I'm monitoring. So they acquire in the news they're trying to acquire this company called a cybersecurity here, Armis, ARMIS. I think it's 7 billion. Let's take a look. Sorry, let's cancel this. And so will I be adding this share? No, not yet. I'll be doing more research on this company first. So for ServiceNow, all-time high about close to $1,200. So now it seems quite attractive, and now the price is at 775. Let's see. I think there's a strong support here around this line, around the current. I think the price of 77. I think we are close to a support. So we'll monitor. We'll see how the acquisition take place and how it is like this company that they're going to acquire. Let's do more research before we take action. So, but it's definitely a company that I'm looking at. So next, Broadcom, AVGO, ticker symbol. Their share price dropped over the past 2 trading sessions. Huge drop. I think total they dropped around 15% at least from the highs of around $410, 414 here, all the way down to about $345 here. I did not add any position in this account, but for my main portfolio, I did add some shares around for AVGO, Broadcom. This is one of the top custom chips maker company in the whole industry, so it's one that everyone is looking at. We'll monitor and to see if it goes lower, probably close to $300, then probably for this account, I'll be interested to add. Let's take a look at a few more companies in the watch list first before we move into my portfolio updates. Salesforce is in my portfolio as well. So today it dropped by 2%. I think it's due to all the ServiceNow, all the software companies drop. I think it affected some of the other software company as well. SoFi dropped 2.5% as well. Snowflake dropped. Palo Alto, the cybersecurity company, dropped as well. Adobe, after their recent it go up by a few more percentage points, but now it dropped back a little bit today. Hopefully it can slowly inch higher for Adobe. On the chart, looks to me that it might be bouncing up, but it's still quite early to say. So let's monitor Adobe. I do hold some shares for this account and the other main account. Okay, let's take a look at the gains. Today, Tesla gained 4%, as well as Lam Research and Elf Beauty at 2%. Nvidia is doing not bad today, 1.6%. Palantir at 1.4%. Alright, let's take a look at my portfolio. Portfolio now at 7931, as mentioned earlier, is down by about $70 for this public account. My target is to hit $50,000 over the next 2-3 years. So let's take a look at my portfolio today. This is a rather new account. That those who have followed me so far, you have known that this is a small account that I'm holding, a duplicate of my main portfolio. But my main portfolio started out quite in the year around, probably around the year 2021. So that's about 4 years old. So now this is a pretty new account. I bought the companies mostly quite recent. Initially, it has been doing quite okay until maybe it reached like September, October. Then it started to drop a bit like today. And the highest gain for my portfolio now is Marvell. Marvell actually went up to about 50% profit, but it dropped back to 34% now. So AMD, the second highest percentage gain, followed by FT&T. Adobe is slightly going to the green side now. And I do have NVIDIA, NVIDIA, Amazon. And then we take a look at the rest of the holding. Palantir, a little bit of Palantir. Netflix, Meta. Meta is the biggest position now in my small account. 2 shares and it's $1,003 now. It's down by 7% because my purchase price is quite high. It's around $700 here. If Meta falls more, I would intend to add more shares. And I'm still holding a lot of cash in this portfolio. You can see the cash asset here is still around 25%. Not that much, but I'm most likely gonna add more cash inside here over the next few days or a week or so. So you can see, come back to the portfolio itself. Celsius, six shares of Celsius, down by 17%, and then ELF down by 27%, and Fiserv is the worst performing. I have 2 shares now, and it's minus 30%. So just a very quick portfolio update today. And any questions? If you like this kind of video, if you want to support my channel, do give me a like, and I'll continue to do more videos to update regarding to this portfolio. So please support if you like, and subscribe for more videos like this. And feel free to comment if you have some comments for me. Alright, that's all for today. Just a very quick one, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.